All right, so here we are in front of the house, a little bit of a closer look, but the reason I wanted to highlight this is this window here is kind of the feature window of the house. As soon as you come up the driveway, this is what you see. So when I was here the first time for the sales side of things, I looked at this window and I thought, my goodness, how are we going to replace this? This window has these grids that are fixed onto the glass on both the interior and the exterior. And what that does is it gives an authentic wood look to the window. So we can make it for historical applications, we can make it for what the homeowner is looking for. The other thing is just look at the size of this window. And so what we can do is we can customize a window based off of size and even on shape. The top of this window is in a custom radius. And so we can customize any window that we need to in order to fit it into anybody's house. So here across the back, another thing that we really like about this house is the different varieties of windows. So you can see down here the doors with the radius tops to them, the radius transoms, and you'll notice that all the grids line up. And that's important when you're looking at windows and doors. You want all of those profiles to line up correctly. We move across here to the sunroom then. These windows are actually a little over 40 inches wide, which is unique to Marvin. Even with those radius tops that you see, we were still able to have all of the grids line up. Another unique window that we have is the egg-looking window, the oval-looking window, if you will. That was something that was unique to the home and that we were able to replicate with Marvin also. And you'll see there's different types of radius. So we have the window on the second story to the left of the back porch, opposite of what you have on the window, two windows over to the left, where it's a half round radius. So Marvin makes things that can make your home unique. So here's another window that I wanted to highlight. This is a venting picture window from Marvin Windows and Doors. It's very unique and it's made for unique applications, but it has some really cool features. So if you have a spot on your home where you want some ventilation, but you can't put in, say, a casement window that's hinged on the side that opens out because maybe it opens onto a deck and you don't want people to run into it. This is a unique option. So this is called a venting picture. So when I open this, it actually pushes out just about 3 inches. And what it does is it pushes out enough to allow ventilation to come in. So if you're looking for a unique application, this is one that could fit. Marvin Windows and Doors makes some unique windows and they can fit a lot of different spots.